I'm Rick Nadell.
I'm Mo Siegel.
We're co-CEOs of Ice Air. Welcome to our product presentation for ASHRAE 2014.
Looking forward to presenting you on our home territory, New York, with some of our new products, existing products, some new projects that may be of interest to you, and introduce you to some of the people who make Ice Air a special company to work with.
We're here today on New York's famous High Line, which was a great success story, a disused railroad spur that's turned into the world's first and most successful elevated urban park. And just like the High Line's a great New York success story, so is Ice Air. I'm going to introduce you to 360 degrees of Ice Air today. We're going to look around at some of the buildings we've done right along the High Line. First building I want to talk about is right behind me, is Avalon Chelsea West. This is being constructed by Avalon Bay, which is a major national REIT, and owns, manages, and develops tens of thousands of apartments. This particular building has somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000 Ice Air PTACs in it, which are provided with hydronic steam heat. Great system, cost-effective and efficient system for New York. And as you can see, many hundreds of apartments in Avalon Chelsea West. And that's just one of several projects we're doing with Avalon, both in New York and in the Boston area, and hopefully more to come. Down the street here to my right is 540 West 28th Street, project put up by L&M. It's actually two buildings that run through, a heat pump building, one of our first right here, and then a PTAC building on West 27th Street. Again, done quite a number of years ago, very successful project. Right behind us here, and I'm going to stand up and give you the 360 degrees of Ice Air, is this gray buff building, 303 10th Avenue, which was put up a couple of years ago as a PTAC building with hot water heat. And again, another successful project we did. And then if we trail along here, walking north on the High Line, behind me you'll see 500 West 30th Street. And the last building I want to show you, the fifth building that Ice Air has done here, is a project we completed a few years ago called the Ohm. And it's a major high-rise building and one of the first to go up in this neighborhood, which was sort of a pioneering shot into the West Chelsea district. So that's what we have here. This is not atypical in New York. If you take any slice of the city, you'll find 360 degrees of Ice Air as we really cover the market both in terms of products and projects.